I'm Antoine Anderson, and today we're going to be doing another airdrop or tutorial of one on coinmarketcap.com. So go ahead and get logged on to that site. And once you're there, go ahead and click on products and free airdrops. We've done one on the Co-Write airdrop. That's been pretty successful, so much so that they've extended the airdrop period. There's still 8 days left, so you have time to get involved in that one. About 3 hours ago, Meta Soccer hit the Cryptoverse. They're seeking to give away at least $60 worth of cryptocurrency or tokens just for getting the word out about their particular project. So let's go ahead and click on Meta Soccer. It's the MSU. It's already got a price listed. The token ranks and all that information on CoinMarketCap will keep you kind of in the know of what's going on here. And what you want to do is when it loads, there's a checklist of sorts that'll show you exactly what you need to get into or what you need to do to join this airdrop. And there it is, join this airdrop. And just go down the list, and there is the new announcement. I've already joined that one. And what you want to do is just go down the list and add all your social media contacts and followers. Join, follow. The biggest thing with this one is it has to add a wallet address, and this one they're looking for a Polygon wallet address. For those of you who don't know, you can get Polygon on either Binance US or on Uphold. Once you get to your Uphold account, go to your Polygon wallet, and you do that by just hitting activities or portfolio, adding the wallet. It's the Matic account. Click on the chevrons there. It'll bring you to wallet address, and just copy it. Go back and paste. Okay, and it's there. They want you to add your Twitter handles, your Facebook handles, and then join the airdrop. Go ahead and click on you authorize CoinMarketCap to share pertinent data. I will not contact the airdrop partner directly. I understand and acknowledge that fulfilling the aforementioned condition does not guarantee success, as the winners will be determined solely by the airdrop partner according to their selection criteria. You're going to go ahead and say that you have reviewed the cybersecurity best practices, and this will take the necessary precautions to safeguard yourself against malicious actors. I cannot tell you how important it is to know your customer, KYC. Even with these airdrops and even on reputable sites like coinmarketcap.com, you need to do your due diligence. Just don't go willy-nilly out there giving out accounts and addresses like I just did. Put in your Facebook handles if you so need to. Make sure you go through all these steps, and then after you're done, click join the airdrop. Okay, now of course I will have to add Twitter handle at what is my Twitter handle? Invest_in_black. Yes. Facebook handle, Telegram handle, link to your retweeted post. So if you go back to your CoinMarketCap and go home, you want a link to the post that you tweeted. you want to go back to that post that you tweeted, click share. Go back to your MetaSoccer, paste it, and then join the airdrop. After that's all said and done, move your CAPTCHA. And you're done. Again, some of these airdrops are just plow through them. Okay, just plow through them. A lot of the information that you're giving out is protected by your passphrases. In the case with wallets, is it worth it? Cool. You've already participated in this airdrop. Come back after 24th of May to see if you won. It is now the 11th. We won't find out until the end of this project if you've gotten any of these coins. So at least you participated in the airdrop, and now it's just a wait and see game. I am Antoine Anderson. Black Investments Matter does not offer financial advice or tips. We are a how-to resource. Make sure you get involved on these airdrops. It's just a way to promote the projects that are out there, possibly getting you some free crypto, and it's a good way to get your feet wet in this crypto game. All right, know your customer and take care. Thank you for joining us. For more videos like this, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom of this video, and also please join us on the Black Investments Matter Facebook group and webpage.